Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Rabbi shrah li fadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. My dear brothers and sisters, hope you all are good today. Let me introduce myself. I am Muhammad Shakir from India. I have done engineering in computers. I love Arabic language for various reasons, and I have faced various difficulties while learning it. So I have decided to help you all overcome those difficulties. I will be teaching you basic Arabic, inshallah. For that, I will be using Medina Arabic book series, which have been included in the syllabus of Medina University for non-Arabic speakers. Previously, I used to teach you through PowerPoint slides and Zoom application, but in that process I have faced several issues, so I have decided to switch over to a new method. In this method I will be using whiteboard, markers and camera, and I will be filming myself. You will be able to watch my videos on YouTube. See you in the next video. Enjoy learning Arabic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.